Sometimes we confuse pain with punishment. We think, maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I deserve this. But the truth is, pain is not punishment, it's preparation. Every hardship, every heartbreak, every silent tear is shaping you into the person you're meant to become. When life breaks you, it's not to destroy you, it's to rebuild you stronger, deeper, and wiser. Think about it. Diamonds are formed under pressure, gold is purified in fire, and hearts are strengthened through struggle. Allah doesn't let pain come to you without purpose. Sometimes He breaks your plans so your heart can find its way back to Him. So if you're in pain right now, don't see it as punishment. See it as preparation for the life, peace, and strength that's coming. Because your pain today is building the person you'll thank tomorrow.